Kyiv, the capital of Ukraine, has a rich and diverse history that dates back centuries. The city is believed to have been founded in the 5th century AD by the East Slavic tribes, who named it Kyiv. The city quickly grew in importance as a trading and cultural center, and by the 9th century, it was the capital of the powerful Kievan Rus state. In the 9th and 10th centuries, Kyiv was the capital of the powerful Kievan Rus state, which was a federation of East Slavic tribes. The state was a major player in Eastern Europe and had significant political, economic, and cultural influence. Kievan Rus was also one of the first East Slavic states to adopt Christianity, which had a major impact on the development of the region. During the 10th and 11th centuries, Kyiv was one of the most important cities in Eastern Europe, and it played a key role in the spread of Christianity in the region. The city was also a major center of learning, with many monasteries and schools established during this period. In the 12th century, Kyiv was conquered by the Mongols, and the city went into decline. However, it began to recover during the 14th century, and by the 16th century, it was once again a thriving city. During the Mongol invasion in the 13th century, Kyiv was severely damaged and its population was drastically reduced. However, the city managed to recover, and by the 14th century, it had become an important trade center once again. The city also saw a resurgence of cultural and artistic activity, and many churches and monasteries were built during this period. In the 16th and 17th centuries, Kyiv was under Polish and Lithuanian rule, which brought about a period of cultural and economic growth. The city became an important center of the Eastern Orthodox Church, and many religious buildings, such as the St. Sophia Cathedral, were constructed. In the 17th and 18th centuries, Kyiv was under Polish and Lithuanian rule, and the city experienced a period of cultural and economic growth. In the 19th century, the city became part of the Russian Empire and underwent a period of modernization, with many new buildings and infrastructure projects constructed. In the 19th century, the city was annexed by the Russian Empire and underwent a period of modernization. New buildings, infrastructure projects, and industrialization were introduced, and the population began to grow rapidly. During this period, the city also saw an influx of different ethnic groups and cultures, which helped shape its unique identity. During World War II, Kyiv was occupied by the Nazis and suffered heavy damage. The city was liberated by the Soviet Red Army in 1943, and it began to be rebuilt. After the war, Kyiv became the capital of the Soviet Ukrainian Republic and underwent a period of rapid industrialization and urbanization. After the fall of the Soviet Union in 1991, Kyiv became the capital of an independent Ukraine. Today, the city is a modern metropolis with a population of over 2.7 million people. It is a center of culture, education, and politics, and is home to many historical and cultural landmarks, such as the Kiev-Pechersk Lavra Monastery, the St. Sophia Cathedral, and many other monuments. Kyiv's history is a testament to the resilience and determination of its people, and it continues to be an important cultural and political center in Eastern Europe. Thanks for watching.